When your child catches a cold, the biggest problem for us mothers is how to help them get rid of that congestion which is there in their nose. They feel so uncomfortable, they are not able to breathe properly at night. We place them on high pillows, but still it's difficult. I'll show you a very natural way to get rid of this congestion. It's chemical free, it will help your kids breathe easily, and the next time that they get cold, they themselves will remind you that mama, make this for me because this really helps in easing my cold, helping me breathe nicely. Here I have taken a few carom seeds, also known as ajwain in Hindi, and these are few garlic cloves. 2 or 3 is enough, and thereafter I am going to heat this up in a pan. So the heating will be on a high flame, no problem, but you need to keep moving it around, else it's going to burn. So till when you heat it is the question. Let me tell you, till you hear a cracking noise, that the seed is cracking, till you hear that, you have to keep frying. And what I showed you, that cloth, is what I'll be making use of. So I already have a handkerchief for this purpose. You all can just take a handkerchief or any cloth that is clean enough to put this in that cloth. So once this is all heated up, you will keep it aside, put it into the cloth, and then you'll take your garlic cloves and just let them cook like this. Again, garlic needs to be cooked till you hear that noise of it cracking. The skin of it should be peeling off because of the heat. Now you can do this on direct flame, however it's safe to burn it or dry roast it on the pan in this way. Once you are done dry roasting the garlic, you have to transfer it at the same place where you have put the carom seeds into the cloth in this way. So this is a good way of placing the cloth in a deep container, so you can pour it into it so that it will not fall off. And then simply take one corner of the cloth, move it around that bulgy thing and form a knot in this way. That's it, and the knot is formed. Since this was just made hot, it will feel directly hot on the skin. So if you need to dab it, you can just dab it in bits immediately. Now how you'll use this is, you can pin the loose end to the shirt or the top of your kids' clothes, or if they have any chain, you can even tie this cloth there. So that's it. Once you leave it there, you can just rub it and the fragrance will keep coming to them, and this will help ease them to breathe without any difficulty. Like the hack, then please do share it with others, and for more interesting hacks, do not forget to subscribe.